Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Hey, in this video we'll discuss how to enable night light on Chromebook. So with that being said, let's get started. To enable night light mode, simply open settings. Here click on device option, click on display settings, and here you'll find night light mode. When you turn on the toggle, it will increase the color temperature to warmer side. You can also adjust the color temperature using this slider. If you want to schedule night light mode to automatically turn on, you can simply click on this drop down menu and simply select your preferred option. So to set it for sunset to sunrise, simply click on this option and night light will automatically turn on at sunset. If you want to customize the timing, then you can simply click on customize, and from the customize slider, you can select the time range. There is also another method to enable and disable night light mode. For that, click on this clock, Wi-Fi and battery icon to open quick settings. Here next to the display slider, click on this arrow icon and here you will find night light option. Simply click on it to turn on and turn off. So that's it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.